Hi, this is Leah with Leah Living Life Collection, where living your best life starts with your nails. Today, I will show you how to add strong nail extensions without the bulk for a beautiful dip manicure. I will have a list of the items needed in the description. As always, I've already sanitized and prepped my nails for dip application. If you need help with nail prep, please refer to the basic dip tutorial, and I'll also put a link in the description for that. So today I will be using the clear tips because for the nail art that I want to do for this set, I want to be able to see through it. But you can use the natural tip if that's what you prefer. When sizing the tips for your nails, you want to make sure that the tip fits from one side of the nail to the other. If your nail is in between size, then you want to go with a bigger tip, okay? And just trim off the excess to make it fit your nails. A drop of nail glue is all that you need. Place your nail tip against the free edge of your nail and pivot the tip flat against your nail. Check to make sure there is no air bubble. Hold the tip in place for a couple seconds. I like to press down on the skin around my nails just so that my skin isn't glued to the nail too. Now that the tip is in place, we can trim it to the length that we want. I just eyeball it. It's better to cut it a little longer than you think because you can always file it or trim it down a little shorter. But if you cut it too short, you have to reapply your tip all over again, okay? If you don't want your nail to look bulky, it's essential to file your nails now. File it to the shape that you want, and then also file the size of the tip to be even with your own nails. That way the side doesn't look lumpy or thick. You want to file gently because your nail is exposed. You don't want to overfile your nails. Okay, so when you file, make sure that you're putting the pressure on and focusing on the tip only. You also want to file the top of the nail tip to blend it in with your natural nails. Again, be gentle. You don't need to overfile that part. Once you are happy with your shape and blending in the nail tip, give it a good dusting. Apply the Bondo first and then apply base gel number 2. You want to apply that on the smile line of the tip. Don't put the base too close to the side, okay? You want to leave like a couple millimeters. The main reason is because you don't want your nail to look wide. I am dipping into clear dip powder to secure the tip and build the apex. The apex will give your nails a nice shape and support the length. To build the apex, we're going to start about 3/4 of the way up your nails. And we're just going to make a skinny line right there in the middle. We're not going to go over to the side of the nails at all. For the last layer of dip powder, we will apply base all the way to the sides of the nail, and we will overlap that middle strip at the top too. This way we will have a smooth flow towards the cuticle. No bulk by the cuticles, okay? I will repeat the last 2 layers on the rest of my natural nails. Every time I do a longer set of dip, I never skip these 2 layers. That's it. We're done building our apex. That's our apex. That little hump is going to give us that nice curved shape that we want with longer nails. And it'll give our nails support and strength. Our nail extension is ready for color. Thanks for watching. Like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.